Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 62 Phillips Road, East Greenwich, Rhode Island. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single-family home for rent. Newly renovated throughout. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the home. Directly to my left here, you got large living room area, high ceilings, custom lighting, electric fireplace, custom shades on the windows, very spacious. Extends over to here, we got perfect room for dining area, easily fit a large table. Before we get to the kitchen to my right, to our left, you have a little mudroom area here. Leads onto the front walkway and the back driveway there. If you wanted to, you could put a smaller table in here instead of having the dining area. And then you got a closet there for plenty of storage. You walk back through the dining room area here. You got right to left, stainless steel refrigerator, large kitchen island, granite marble countertops, more countertop cabinet space, electric stove, beautiful views facing the fenced-in backyard, dishwasher, huge undermount sink, pantry closet with lots of built-in shelving. We'll make our way back through the living room area here. We'll go downstairs before we head upstairs. Right at the bottom of the stairs to my left, you got plenty of space for another smaller living room. We'll call this the den. Ceiling fan right above. Heads right outside to the backyard. To my left, you have bedroom number 1 on the lower level here. Easily fit a king set. Huge walk-in closet. Built-in shelving. Connected to the bedroom here. Gorgeous bathroom. Tub, custom vanity. Separate shower. That entrance there leads down to the basement for extra storage, partially finished, and laundry in unit. Let's make our way upstairs here. To my right, bathroom number 2, shower, tub, and vanity. Bedroom number 2 here. This could easily fit a king set as well. Do have an ensuite bathroom here too. This one has a shower, no tub, a vanity, some closet space there. And we got bedroom number 3. Could fit a king set as well. Built-in closet space. Hallway closet there. And then we got bedroom number 4. Definitely the smallest out of the 4. You got shelving and a bookcase here. Facing the back of the house. This could fit a queen set. Absolutely gorgeous throughout. I'd like to apply for 62 Phillips Road, East Greenwich, Rhode Island. Click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.